In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on parental controls in Google Play Store. If you want to guide what your child can download or buy on an Android device, the Google Play Store has built-in parental controls that are quick to set up and easy to manage. You'll do everything directly inside the Play Store app, and once you're done, the device will block downloads and purchases that don't meet the limits you choose. Start by opening the Google Play Store app on the device you want to manage. Look to the top right and tap the profile icon. From there, go into Settings. Inside Settings, find the Family section and select Parental Controls. This is the hub where you'll turn controls on and customize what content is allowed. Switch parental controls to ON. You'll be asked to create a PIN. This PIN is important. It protects your settings so only you can change them. Choose a PIN you'll remember and be sure not to share it with your child. If you're worried about forgetting it, store it somewhere secure that only you can access. Next, you'll choose what to restrict. You can set limits separately for apps and games, movies, TV, and books. Go into each category and select the age rating or content level that matches what you're comfortable with. For apps and games, you'll see age-based ratings. For movies and TV, you can choose rating categories that align with what's appropriate in your region. And for books, you can restrict access to certain mature content. Take a moment to review each section so your settings are consistent with your family's preferences. Once these are set, the Play Store will block downloads and purchases that fall outside your chosen limits on that device. It's normal for kids to still see some restricted titles in search results, but they won't be able to install or buy them if they don't meet your settings. This helps maintain transparency while keeping control in your hands. A couple of important reminders as you wrap up. These parental controls apply only to the device where you turn them on. So if your child uses multiple devices, repeat these steps on each one. You can change or update the settings anytime by returning to the same menu and entering your PIN. It's also a good idea to revisit the settings as your child grows or if their needs change. That's it. Your parental controls are now active in the Google Play Store, giving you peace of mind and your child a safer experience.